Hello guys, nice to meet you. Very much looking forward for our class. It would be great if you could cut your sweet pepper before the class in this way. So look, first you're going to cut this side, then you're going to cut this side, and then you are going to, even a little bit more in this case, then you are going to cut like this way, and then you are going to open it. Of course, you don't need all this white part. Try to eliminate it, so seeds, white part of course not. And then we need to cut it in small squares. So something like this. So first we are doing slices. And then these slices you are doing in squares, just like this. Like this. Here we go. Looking forward. Can't wait.